Hey guys, how's it going? So today I have another lock for you. It is this cable camera 6-pin. It is unnamed, there's no markings on it. However, on the key it does say Winlock. A few highs and lows. I'm having issues getting this picked because it's very sharp and don't get a great deal of feedback. I've been playing about with different amounts of tension, and as I usually do, but having some severe amount of issues with it. Right. 5, 4. Start at the front. 2. I've got movement on 2, but there we go. Good click on 2. Three, 4. I just slipped off 5. I think I've overset pin 1. There you go, just release the tension just a little bit to get it to drop back down. There's 3. Just readjusting my tension range. That was pin 1. Haha, that's where we're going wrong, because I was using bottom of the keyway tension. It was getting snagged up, and just as I put my pick in to readjust my tension range, we got it unlocked. So there you have it. So I've just screwed that. Let's get that back up there. There we are, and get that locked back up. Zoom out, because today I'm hopefully going to try and get this on camera for you. So I'll set that down there. Oh, we need that key. Set that back up here. Get the laptop out of the way. If you hadn't noticed, I'm not exactly very prepared for this because I didn't expect to get it picked, because I've been trying this for the past 2.5 hours. So let's keep that in the frame. So that's the whole point of this, isn't it? To see, to prove that I got it picked, and hopefully we can get this gutted on camera for you. Now I only have a multi-tool, and I have picked this earlier, believe it or not, and I wanted to try and get it taken apart, but I didn't have a way of taking it apart. And yes, this is asking for an injury. However, it's going to come out whether we like it or not. I don't even care if I break the C-clip. I really don't care. I just want it out. I want to get it. Come on. we got any room in there? No, we don't. A little bit more. There's people watching this and cringing, gonna go, he's gonna stab himself. And you're probably right. However, perseverance pays off. There we go. Slide back down there. What's he doing to that lock? Well, what's he doing? He doesn't matter. There we go. So, C-clip is out. So what we need to do now is unlock it, and hopefully this will come out. Oh, here we go. Right, the problem is when I pull these out, this is going to come out one at a time, because obviously you can't get a shim in there. So what I might have to do is lock that back up, see if we can quickly get the C-clip out from the other side. Because if any of you have watched a video on how to take it apart, I have done it once before. It is a pain in the ass, which is why probably people never take apart Eurolocks, because they are a nightmare to do. You don't obviously have to go to this destructive technique, I'm just trying to catch it on camera after I've picked it. Now, doesn't matter what side we did, to be honest, does it? Right, let's take that out. I've just realised I should have left one side picked. Nightmare. Well, hopefully if we can just get this. I wonder if there's enough spring tension in there. I wonder. Hold that there. Bring over my amazing pen and board. Gotta love the improvisation. Now, hopefully, so this is pen 1, pen 2, pen, give me 3, pen 4, 5, and give me 6. And 6. So they are all standard, as you'd imagine, with a lock. Hold on, let me get the light on here. Here we go. And I'm not going to dump the springs out because this is a commercial Eurolock. As you can see, the springs in there, no nastiness. What was that? What was that? So that was pen 1. So they're all standards. Now we have the key and this one here. I'd imagine these are all going to be standards too. I'll be incredibly shocked if one of these is a security pin. Standard. Get out. Oh, that's just a spacer at the back. Come on. Two's standard. 3 is a standard. 4 is a standard. 5 is a standard, and last but no means 6 is a standard. So there you have it. Nothing special, however you can just see that the warden, I'm zoomed out, the warden can play fairly key in it. So thank you very much for watching. I am very sorry this is 10 minutes long. There's nothing special inside there either, because this is just a commercial Winlock, but there you have it. Standard pins, a little bit paracentric keyway, however it just catches a little bit, can throw you off and make it a 10-minute long video. But thank you very much for watching. If you like this and you want to see this more often, just put a comment or something like that so I can continue doing this. Obviously I'm not going to do it with locks that I quite like or want to keep hold of for a long time, because that's just a waste of a lock. However, these weird unbranded locks are fair game. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Sorry it's so long once again. Catch you later.